Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best telescoping ladders on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Little Giant 22-foot Velocity Telescoping Multi-Use Ladder. A notable name in the multi-purpose category of telescoping ladders is the 22-foot Velocity Ladder by Little Giant. The versatility, strong aluminum build and convenient utility of this product have certainly accounted for its high customer ratings. Undoubtedly, this telescoping ladder is one of the most cost-effective tools in its category. The combination of flexible utility and safety mechanisms is what appealed to us the most. This multi-use ladder, which can be extended up to a height of 19 feet, gets easily converted into an A-frame extension, a 90-degree ladder, or even into a portable staircase. Every version of this telescoping ladder stands the test of efficiency and stability. Apart from a very satisfactory 300-pound carrying capacity, we were glad to find this multi-use ladder being equipped with some of the more advanced security mechanisms. For instance, the dual-pin hinge provides extra support to the unit, especially when you reach out for the difficult-to-access spaces in the house. If you are concerned about the mobility of this multi-use ladder, considering the multitude of features, then drop them right now. This 22-foot multi-use ladder comes with a set of tip and glide wheels for hassle-free movement. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yvan 12-feet Aluminum Extension Ladder. Yvan 12-feet telescoping ladder has a well-built premium-grade aluminum alloy body. The oxidized surface of this telescoping ladder is meant to prevent the equipment from corrosion-related damages. Its 12 feet extendable height makes it a preferable choice for multiple tasks. The number of user-friendly and safety features did get us a bit overwhelmed, but in no way was a constraint to its smooth operating experience. We hardly had any problem figuring out the utility of the ladder's varied functions. The ladder has been carefully designed keeping safety in mind. Equipped with an intelligent locking mechanism that takes care of individual steps, this telescoping ladder enables the user to adjust its height as per the need. Additionally, the one-button retraction is a worthy substitute for the no-pinch closure system. With a slow retracting speed, your hands are less prone to encounter an injury. Apart from being affordable, the Yvan 12-feet telescoping ladder also cuts down the maintenance costs. For this purpose, the rugged aluminum body has adequate plastic parts braced with nylon for enhanced longevity and service life. Further, the plastic-nylon combination also works to support the loading capacity. Number 3. Our third best pick is Xtend Climb 770p Ladder. Xtend Climb 770p is the quintessential household telescoping ladder for everyday tasks. Built with aerospace-engineered alloy, this durable and safe-to-use ladder becomes a compact-sized tool of just 32 inches when retracted. Affordable, sturdy, and user-friendly, the 770p can be used by anyone anywhere. The average house does not have a sufficient storage area for extra tools like a telescoping ladder. With a portable weight and height, the 770p solves this problem. It can easily fit in the most cramped rooms and spaces without being substantially damaged. The highlight of this household-friendly telescoping ladder is its various safety mechanisms. Firstly, the steps can be extended and locked by the foot to reach a favorable height. In addition, the ladder's legs have non-slip end caps for stability. Even at the modest price, the Xtend Climb 770p does not lack a green/red lock indicator to confirm locking and unlocking of steps, respectively. For optimum convenience, a special angel thumb release facilitates proper hand positioning for a hassle-free operating experience. Also, an integrated carrying handle helps you reach the tightest spots at a height. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Little Giant Alta-One Ladder. Its unique configuration allows the heavy-duty aluminum construct to have a lightweight design of just 30 pounds. In fact, this Little Giant model is one of the lightest multi-use ladders available today. First things first, we were left amused with the plethora of features that this model offers. Similar to the Little Giant 22-foot Velocity Ladder, the Alta-One can also cater to multiple requirements by converting itself into a 90-degree staircase and a frame ladder. Despite having more than one form, this 15-feet telescoping ladder does not use too many elements for transformation. The hinge locks and telescoping sides successfully convert the Alta-One from one version to the other. If you are a new user, there will be no scope of confusion in figuring out its operation. No matter which version you opt for, each of its forms are equally sturdy and reliable. To ensure maximum user safety, this telescoping ladder combines wide flared pedals with solid rubber feet for boosting stability. In addition, the rubber-protected bottom means that both your indoor and outdoor surfaces are free from unwanted blemishes. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is LUISLADDER 10.5 feet ladder. Yet another praiseworthy product from the LUISLADDER brand, the 10.5 feet telescoping ladder is a leading combination of strength, safety, and transportation. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, this extension ladder can be carried around and stored without breaking a sweat. One look at its construction and we could vouch for the aligned construction of these telescoping ladders. The broader base and narrower top means that we did not have to worry about its positioning against the wall. In addition, the superior grade aluminum alloy makes it one of the most sturdy frames. This telescoping ladder extends to its maximum height of 10.5 feet incrementally, or in other words, the steps extend one by one. Such an effective mechanism gives the user total control to decide and attain the desired height. Its spring-loaded lock function means that the rungs do not hurt your fingers while extending the steps. The stable straightening pedals of the LUISLADDER telescoping ladder have skid-resistant rubber-tipped feet for improved stoutness on almost any surface. Such secure mechanisms do full justice to its 330 pounds carrying capacity. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.